As a public safety officer, your primary duty is to ensure public safety while upholding professionalism and integrity. In this section, we will go over the fundamental principles that guide the use of force. Use of force principles. Public safety officers should always prioritize nonviolent methods before considering the use of force or firearms. Force should only be used when other means are ineffective. Before engaging in any conflict, an officer must consider three key questions. Is force necessary, or can the goal be achieved without it? What is the minimum force required to achieve the desired result? Are there any legal or ethical limitations on force in this situation? Force must be discontinued once the objective has been met. Officers must also remain aware of the individual's behavior and emotional state to ensure an appropriate response. Section 2. Use of force continuum. The use of force continuum is a standard guideline that helps officers determine the appropriate level of force to use based on suspect's behavior. The goal is to prevent unnecessary force and uphold public trust. Level 1. Compliant, passive. At level 1, the individual is fully compliant, not disorderly, and poses no threat. Officers must not use force at this level. Level 2. Compliant, active. At level 2, the individual is verbally non-compliant but not physically resistant. Officers should only use verbal communication techniques to de-escalate the situation. Level 3. Resistant. At level 3, the individual is both verbally and physically non-compliant. They may be using physical aggression or less lethal tools. Officers may use non-lethal force such as hands, tasers, pepper spray, or batons. Level 4. Lethal. At level 4, the suspect is actively posing a legal threat. Officers may use department-issued firearms, but lethal force should be limited to subduing the threat. If the suspect surrenders, officers must immediately cease fire. If a suspect willingly disposes of their weapon and surrenders, they should no longer be engaged with force. By understanding these principles and following the use of force continuum, officers can perform their duties responsibly and ensure public trust in law enforcement. Stay professional, stay responsible, and stay safe.